Diddy's last defense: can he overturn his Mann Act conviction, or is Trump ready to pardon? Welcome back to Stars and Settlements, where celebrity drama meets courtroom reality, and no rumor is too wild. Today's episode dives deeper into Sean Diddy Combs' legal minefield. Fresh off a partial conviction under the federal Mann Act, his legal team has filed shocking new motions. First, a request to overturn the verdict altogether, or alternatively, secure a fresh trial focused only on those prostitution counts. Meanwhile, rumors swirl that Donald Trump may pardon him before his October sentencing. Let's unpack it all. The legal turning point. Diddy was found guilty on 2 counts of transporting individuals across state lines for prostitution, the kind of federal crime the Mann Act punishes. But in a major win, the jury cleared him of racketeering and sex trafficking charges. Still, those 2 convictions could mean up to 20 years behind bars. Sentencing is scheduled for October 3rd, and Diddy remains locked in a New York federal detention center. The new motion, acquittal or retrial. Now comes the legal bombshell. Diddy's lawyers argue that he may be the only person ever convicted under the Mann Act without profiting from prostitution, without arranging it, or even engaging sexually with the paid workers. They claim witnesses, including ex-girlfriends Cassie Ventura and Jane, said he merely watched or recorded the so-called freak-off sessions. No paid sex, no deals, no exploitation. The defense argues that courts have ruled paying for voyeurism isn't prostitution, and that the sexual performances were filmed as private, consensual acts, arguably protected by free speech. If the judge won't acquit, they're pushing for a retrial without prejudicial evidence like the video of Diddy allegedly assaulting Cassie in 2016. 5th bail attempt and the swinger defense. Diddy is also filing for bail, his 5th attempt. He's offering a $50 million bond secured by his Miami mansion and promises to restrict his travel. His team paints a picture: Diddy as a consensual John or swinger, not a sexual predator. They argue the Mann Act has never applied like this before. They even cite his incarceration as unjust because no one else in custody was charged under similar circumstances. They highlight that his remaining legal team continues to deny any non-consensual wrongdoing. Why bail was denied again, but judges repeatedly refused bail. Why? The court cited his history of domestic violence, including testimony and surveillance of physical incidents with partners, and the possibility he may threaten witnesses or flee. Despite his billionaire status, the courts say no restriction or guarantee can ensure safety or his compliance during trial. Incoming twist: Trump's pardon rumor. Just when the courtroom tension peaked, another bomb dropped. Sources say former President Trump is seriously considering a full pardon before sentencing, even though no official offer was made public. Trump has all but flirted with the idea publicly, and some speculate he sees this as a high-profile spectacle that could rally allies or distract the media cycle. Collapse of his empire. Diddy's empire is crumbling fast. Sponsors dropped his brands, reality shows pulled him, documentaries and exposés have multiplied. Civil lawsuits, dozens, still hang over his head, many from alleged assault victims. The trial's verdict may have spared him from life behind bars, but the public fallout is far from over, and a pardon could either seal his redemption or ignite unprecedented backlash. Celebrity justice or celebrity privilege? This case forces us to ask, is Diddy's fame insulating him? Can a high-profile entertainer be treated differently under the law? When his defense claims the First Amendment protects him, when bail is denied despite offers, and when a former president may pardon him, justice and celebrity start looking like uneasy bedfellows. So, tell us, does the law have loopholes for the rich and famous? Should a partial conviction flip to acquittal? Or would a pardon now send the wrong message? What would you do? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you believe in accountability or question if it still applies when fame is involved, let's discuss. Enjoy this video? Smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more stories where wealth, power, and courtroom collide. Thanks for tuning in to Stars and Settlements. Until next time, stay sharp and stay skeptical.